abaphela abantu igama lami ngoLindani. You can call me anything but not Brook. Hey, lo nyaka bafethu, it's mid-year 2025. Unyaka ohlukile kunawo wonke iminyaka. People are really taking life serious now. Ade ngibuka ngisho abangani bami mfethu bayekile ukuba ngama-Casanova bathatha izinto way too serious njengamanje. Bangena ebudlelwaneni obu-committed now, which is like a good thing. And kwamanye ama-space such as music, there's so much music ama-artist indlela a-release ngayo, like you can't even like keep up njengamanje. Yonke into iyaflowa like naturally, uyabo. And people are taking their dreams ngale ndlela le serious njengamanje. People are committing okwenzeni izinto zenzeke. You know, as much as rush success and what's not, sometimes abanye bazathatha ama-shortcuts. Like I was looking at my other friends, I won't reveal the name, I won't reveal indlela benza ngayo izinto, but like in a way of like scamming people, right? Like scammers, dog. Like you look at like social media, sometimes indlela abantu abacurate ngayo perception online, you'd swear ukuthi they are living lezo impilo lezo. However, people abagcine bengena kulawo ma-trap to ukufaka iy'mali zabo lapho and then zidleke iy'mali zabo. You like how people like abanengqondo are getting scammed but umuntu eskenywe kuze kuphindelele, yabo. So I don't judge, but people got their ways okwenza imali, but eventually you realize it's like life empilweni in general, impilo in general, like there's a lot empilweni than this esikuphilela la emhlabeni if uyibukisisa kahle. I remember a Bible mentor yami ngitshela ukuthi like after all this it's said and done, right? There's internal life evokala that's worth beyond it esemhlabeni you could like imagine, yabo. So as a mood, as an individual, kubalekile ukuthi know yourself, ukuthi zazi wena ukuthi ukephi, like yazi iphila yakho oncike ngayo. For me, uNkulunkulu is working wonders for me. I'm doing well. Like I don't have a desire kuba a Casanova. I don't have a desire to like show off. Like be grateful for where I am. Nginakho like right spiritually, financially, mentally, physically, like right, yabo. Nginelisekile ngalokho and ngiya appreciate, yabo. I don't have a desire for more, yabo. Angisiyona futhi minimalist, yabo. But nje engifuna ukudlulisa ukuthi I just like the way mangithatha ukubhekisisa people are moving, yabo. Indlela abantu abenza ngayo kulonyaka, like taking things way too serious, yabo. Phethe ngama-goals abo, ama-career abo, like kind of like meaningful relationships, konke lokho. It's worth it, yabo. It all boils down to do you know yourself, yini na? Because ain't no point ukuba toxic, ungahili, and then like leo burden yakho idlulisele kwabanye. Like fix yourself, focus on yourself, like just know ukuthi ufunani then go for it, yabo. For me, I don't stay in my head. Even ngifuna ukwenza content, I'm doing content right now because like ngiyathanda ukwenza content. I'm feeling like doing content namhlanje. If I'm feeling like ngifuna uku-interview umuntu, I could just like call, set up, interview umuntu, yabo. I have no pressure to prove to anyone except for myself. Ngiyathanda nokwenza lokho namhlanje, yabo. I don't get caught up ikhanda lami ukuthi okay, all right, sharp njengamanje bazothina abantu. I'm just doing my thing on my own lane ngesikhathi sami, yabo. I have no desire ukugqoka ama-brand abiza. I'm comfortable uyigqokela i-streetwear ngiyiphumele. Mangiconywe lo muntu thiwaza ukugqoka kahle mfethu uyithathe le mpahla le. It's all good. I don't have to be Gucci to prove a point, yabo. If finance yami even mangifinance dog kumele ihambe ne-aura dog yabo, kumele ngizwe i-aura yami, confidence yami ukuthi igcwele yabo, ukuthi namhlanje igcwele yabo, things like that yabo. Ungayifakeli ingcindezi nje mfethu yabo, zazi wena uqobo lakho, know your strengths, know your strengths, do your thing, go out, socialize nabantu, meet new people, like ubona abantu bacabanga kanjani, their ways of thinking about could shape now perspective yakho ubona ngazo izinto, and then like just maneuver. For me personal, this is personal, like I've been not like ngihlala nabantu isikhathi eside ngoba manje we end up rapping like personas. I need to like screen ngibuyele kwizone yami, so ngiqhubeke nje ngemindate yami yabo, ngazi ukuthi manje like usurap ama-persona nabantu abaningi, you end up like now taking that to your persona, you're moving like now sideways nje. But when it comes to emotion dog, like getting imali, just make sure you find ways like sometimes I'm people like especially amajita, like kunzima ukuba umjita as much as phila ekhathini now, ama-odds are favor kakhulu abantu besimami yabo, like it's if umjita you're not born with value, like intombazane can have value just because inhle dog, like pretty privilege is a thing yabo. Ishuthe lithombe imili iveze like sideways, like that's view, but when that doesn't work for you, like umjida ithatha intombazane maseyibonile ukuthi inhle ne-pretty privilege imkahle bekwi-date ekhokha. For umjida it's hard dog, you must create your own value ukuze kufike lapho yabo. Even ungajim ube iscorer, like have that good physique, which is a good thing kuba ne-good physique, but ushuthe still mawuzo thole imami game, it's required ukuthi ukhiphe a certain amount of money, dates, nice vibes, yonke lento require imali. If you don't have it, so uzomisa kanjani? Intombazane doesn't have to like pay a dime bro, yonke lento izoyizela. Amajida that are willing to do it all just for like ivalue yayo intombazane ukuthi inhle imkahle and whatsoever yabo. So as umjida i-priority ukuthi nje first work on your finances, thola indlela dog like to grind yabo, ukhandele lo shumi phezu kwelinye ishumi yabo. If you don't know ukuthi uzolikhanda kanjani, just take your time, just buka abantu ukuthi bamuva kanjani. Like Lion Corner, people are driving like very muscle cars from a V6, V12. That noise background ngemumva wami. So yabo, find ways ukuthi i-finances zakho uzoyimisa kanjani njenge-out yabo, like yenza iplan njengetsotsi ukuthi i-finances zakho uzokhanda ngamuphi ujantshi fethu. Like if ubona ukuthi academically you're good, hamba ngaleyo route. If uyabona ukuthi you're good at speaking, find ways bro. If you're good at selling, build a little skill dog. If you're good at like ukuhlanganisa abantu, just try figure ukuthi where you're good at and make it a niche, and then we grab a low market and then just work on it yabo. Take your time, ungabi nayo pressure yabo. Amabanaya zoza dog, like you'll drive this Vropa, ama shortcuts, they are not worth it sometimes. Angakusa nasejele yabo, but do your thing. At the end of the day, as it out, you need to take care of yourself financially. Uzokwazi ukusiza nabantu who are near your surroundings yabo. Take care.